Alright, so 100 ways to bug your friends and enemies. We're doing it again and again. We're doing back-to-back videos, so sorry if we don't have that much information. So yeah. And so we're doing it again and again because we're thinking he's having a lot of problems and like it's occurring again and again.
So also,
Yeah.
what about this? Is very again and again, Luke?
Well, Brady said a lot of it, but stop moving right here. Brady said a lot of it, but yeah, he keeps having a lot of problems and stuff like that.
Yeah, and some of the we already read that there's a list of his problems,
Well,
and
yeah.
No, there's 6 problems he said already in the book in 50 pages.
Yeah.
Like there are big problems that
58.
irritate him.
Like very.
Yeah. So again and again, problems keep occurring. So what do you think's gonna happen? Do you think more problems are gonna occur or what?
Probably.
I think totally, yeah. I think more problems are going to occur. That's why he's creating the list. He's starting to pick some problems. But also, he might have some trouble with friends and enemies. That's my prediction.
Maybe because he's making the list.
So that's why he's making the list, because he's having trouble with them.
Yeah,
sometimes this happens in life where people bug them to get them, to be their friends again. I don't know why, but it just happens.
Yeah. And also, Hiccup and Sneeze, the main character Sneeze, were getting in an argument, which is one of Sneeze's friends, and he was sort of getting mad at him, and so maybe that's why he's making his list 100 ways to bug your friends and enemies.
Sorry, there's
Sorry, so.
yeah. Yeah, is that it?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's our again and again. See if there's any more